Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone. In today's video we would like to show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the standard keyboard looks without the separate number line. As you can see in here, you want to head straight for the keyboard settings by either pressing on this gear icon, or you can also go to the general settings tab. Here, scroll all the way down, find the additional settings category of general settings. In here, go for the languages and input, current keyboard, Gboard. So after that you want to go to the manage keyboard section. Go for the keyboard that you have just identified as the currently set keyboard, in my case, and by default it is always going to be the Gboard. In here, go for the preferences, and at the preference page all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row switch, and as you will see now, that will effectively mean that we have successfully activated the separate number row, the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.